Hi, welcome to Music 360. I am Sudip. Today we are going to learn the C major scale. So the keys of the C major scale is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So we have all the white keys and the finger pattern would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now let's see how to place our hand on the keys and which is the pattern and how you have to shift your hand while playing the scale. So the thumb is finger 1, index is 2, middle is 3, ring is 4, little is 5. Similarly on the left hand also the thumb is 1, index is 2, middle is 3, ring is 4, little is 5. Now first let's look at the right hand and then we'll try the left. So first play the middle C with your finger 1, then D with 2, E with 3. So it has to go C, D, E. Then you have to shift your thumb, that is finger 1, to the F like this. So watch me again. C, D, E, F. So I switched like this. Let's try that once more. C, D, E, F. You can try that with me. C, D, E, F. Once again. Now that you know how to shift it, we will move further from there. So it should go like C, D, E, F with the finger 1. Then you have to play G, A, B, C. Just try practicing this. Finger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll play this again from the beginning. Let's see. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Let's try it again. I'm going to repeat it. You just keep trying to play it together with me. So this is the ascending and then we have to do the descending, the reverse. We use the finger pattern. Similarly, we just move in the opposite direction. So we go finger 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Try that again. And then you have to get back to the E with finger 3, the same as the beginning. These 3 keys we played with finger 3, 2, 1. So you have to switch from the F like this. F, E, D, C. So F, E, D, C, like that. So the C major scale with the left hand goes like this from the C, D, E, F, G. Let's try it together. Make sure to keep your fingers curved while playing it. Let's try it again. That was good. So make sure to keep your finger in position so that it is much easier to navigate through the keys. Now you have to switch finger 3 on the A, like that. That is A, B, C with finger 3, 2, 1. Let's try that. We'll play it from the beginning now. Let's try it together. So as you can see, I'm switching it exactly after the G with my finger 3 here. Let's try that again. C, D, E, F, G, switch to A, B, C. Then you have to go back reverse with the same pattern. 2, 3, switch on the G with thumb, F, E, D, C. Once again, C, D, E, F, G, switch A, B, C, B, A, switch G, F, E, D, C. Now let's try it on repeat together. 1, 2, 3, start. That's a very good exercise. So make sure to practice each hand individually, and then once you get that, make sure to try them together with both the hands. Coordination should be perfect. So it should go something like this. You can see my right hand is following the same pattern as how we tried it individually. That is so make sure to practice the right hand separate and the left hand separate, and then try both the hands together.